welcome back to my show. My name is Steven, and today I want to share with you some information about the CNC machine. And regarding the schedule about the CNC machine, there is only one remaining things to complete the main frame that you have here in the back. So basically, the bed and the column will support our different kind of axes. The column will support the Z-axis, and the bed will support the X and Y. And I do not know if you remember about the last video that I made regarding vibration and the fact about you need to have some stiffness about a machine. The last thing I have to do, I have to put some internal plate at this position. This one is already done, but this one is not already done. And for those plates, I order them outside because I need some machining operation. It was mainly some milling operation to have the correct size. And I received the part that you can see here, but the concern is that there is a mistake in this dimension between this side to this side. There is some missing material, so the guy go around and dip, so the plate is too short. It's not a big concern. I will have to add some chains here, some metal to be sure that I will have a good compression, because I want to have a good stiffness about the machine. And as you can see, there is some holes because the plate will be like that inside the column, so it will be installed this way. And those holes were made to let go through some cables, wires, and so on. And those holes need to match those one on the first plate here. So what I need to check is where is the mistake. Is the mistake from one side? So I will have to take the plates in the correct position, so either this way or this way, depending on the side, or the mistake is balanced from this side to this side. So in this case, I have to put two pieces of metal on the left and right side to be sure that those holes are in line with the previous one in the back. So it's the first concern I have with the CNC machine from those plates, but it's not a big deal, just more work to do about to have the correct size. The other thing that I want to share with you, as you can see on the machine, there is a lot of inside plates and different components that are matching all together. And if you want to have a good matching without having a CNC, that you know that I have a CNC and I use the CNC to locate those holes, and the CNC is quite accurate here, so it's very helpful to have some precise position regarding the holes you have. But there is another way to do that, and maybe you see that in Tomlinson or Keith Finner or Arbon. You can make some that we call some transfer hole. So you start with this kind of plate, for example, and I don't know if you can see those holes. I will back the camera through and zoom in, and I will use this last operation for the main frame to share with you the method about transferring some hole. And you will see that it's a very easy method. It's quite accurate, and also the very interesting thing is that the fact that it matches very well with the hole that you have. So for example, if you do not know the dimension of the plates, or if you get back, for example, any kind of machine and you have to some holes to transfer, you will see that this method is very accurate, and it's very helpful when you do some machining and drilling operation. So I need to take one or two things to show you. I will switch off the camera and be back in a second, and to show you what you need to make the job.